Is it finally possible to buy a brand new Samsung smartphone under 17,000 Indian rupees without compromising on features? That's exactly what the newly launched Galaxy F36 is offering in India right now, and the timing couldn't be better. Available exclusively through Flipkart, the Galaxy F36 is actually a rebadged version of the Galaxy M36, customized for Flipkart customers with some interesting launch offers that make the deal even sweeter. The base variant comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, priced at 17,499 Indian rupees. But the real appeal lies in the discounts and cashbacks Flipkart is currently offering. If your total order crosses 3,000 Indian rupees, which this phone clearly does, you immediately get a discount of 569 Indian rupees. Now, if you're using an Axis Bank Flipkart credit card, you'll also get an additional 5% cashback, which equals 846 Indian rupees. When you combine both these offers, the price effectively drops to just 16,083 Indian rupees, making the Galaxy F36 one of the most attractive choices in its category. Samsung is also offering an 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage variant, priced at 18,999 Indian rupees, which after applying the same discounts, can be purchased for around 17,508 Indian rupees. That's strong value for a phone offering solid RAM and storage combo. Interestingly, Samsung had also promised an additional 1,000 Indian rupees off for customers using select bank cards, specifically Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and SBI card during the launch announcement. However, this specific offer is not currently visible on Flipkart, possibly due to some backend issue or temporary delay, and could still be activated soon. Still, even without that particular discount, the deal remains quite competitive. The F36 looks like Samsung's move to take back attention in India's crowded mid-range market, where brands like Realme, Redmi, and Motorola usually dominate. While Samsung hasn't gone into full detail about the specs in this announcement, their F-series models generally come with powerful batteries of around 5,000 mAh, displays with 90 Hz or higher refresh rates, and triple or quad camera. Setups led by a main sensor that typically sits around 50 megapixels. If the Galaxy F36 sticks to this proven formula, then it becomes a great option for students, working professionals, or anyone needing a reliable smartphone without stretching their budget. What also makes this launch stand out is how well Samsung has timed and structured its partnership with Flipkart. These discounts and bundled offers feel like a carefully planned move to boost early sales and get ahead in a very price-sensitive market. If you're already a Flipkart user and have an Axis Bank card, this is one of those rare cases where buying early pays off. And let's not forget the trust and brand value Samsung brings to the table. For anyone who prefers a familiar interface, consistent software updates, and access to Samsung's wide network of service centers, the F36 checks all the right boxes at the right price. So whether you're looking for your first smartphone, a backup device, or simply the best value under 18,000 Indian rupees, the Galaxy F36 deserves a spot on your list. What do you think? Does this pricing make you consider Samsung over other brands in this segment? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you're always the first to know when deals like this go live.